Hello friend. Okay, today I'm going to make a Napoleon with the puff pastry. This puff pastry, I think, to me is a magic dough. We can make so many things that made our life very easy. So hopefully in the future I'm going to show you that how to use this. Okay, we're going to separate these doughs. Spray the sheet. I'm going to cut it in half and transfer it to the sheet. I preheat the oven for 390 degrees. The estimate time for cooking this is almost 20 to 25 minutes, but we always check to make sure that they don't burn. Okay, we're almost done. This is very easy and they give you the good amount of Napoleon. I love Napoleon, it's very yummy and it's expensive. So this is the easy way. With less than $6, you can make like around 2 tons of this. Okay, I'm gonna transfer this to the oven for 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes, and we're gonna be back with the rest of it. Now we are preparing the cream for inside. I'm adding is around like 2 cups of heavy cream. And to this I'm gonna add like 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. It's up to you. If you want more sweet, you can add more. If you don't want it, so you can add like 1.5 cups. So we're gonna beat this until we get the result. As you see, our cream for inside the Napoleon is ready. So we're gonna wait for our dough to fully cooked and we're gonna finish up with this delicious, yummy stuff. So before that, we're gonna crush two of them. We need it for top of our Napoleon. So, and we mix it with some other sugar. Okay, this is good enough. Now we are starting with our dough. This is easy. We're gonna cut this. It's gonna cut easy. Cut it in half, like this. Okay, I'm just gonna show you this, and then we're gonna finish the rest of them. Now we're gonna put some of this cream in the middle. Put this one back, and then we're gonna put some on top. And some of this. Isn't it beautiful? Easy, fast, and cheap.